Okay, so let's try this one again, shall we? So first of all, a big apology, a massive apology to everyone who saw last night's video. It was entitled, "What's the Power?" I've taken the video down because I've found out that the meter that I was using is actually faulty. So I was a little bit suspicious about it when I saw the readouts, and it's thanks to some online messages that came through to me, kind of really querying the fact that it was only giving out 2 watts. And that was enough for me to say, you know what, it's time to retest my test equipment, if you like. So I've taken it down. I've subsequently gone out and bought a new power meter this morning, a new SWA built-in power meter, and that's what we're going to be using for the tests now. And I'm glad to say that the tests give slightly better results than they did on the previous test that I did. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to retest the radios. So the first one I'm going to retest is the PNI Escort HP82. Now this yesterday came through as giving only 2 watts output, which I was a little bit sus about because I've had really good contacts with it, and a few people have said, yeah, you know what, it should be a little bit higher than that. And yes, it should have been. From experience, radios do come lower powered than what's advertised as, but that was quite a jump, only half the power. So it was well worth looking into. So once again, Delboy Online, a big thank you to you for kind of really making me realise that there's going to be a problem somewhere. And I'm not sure how the problem happened because the meter has always been a reliable one. I know for a fact it worked accurately a couple of weeks ago because I've done some tests with other radios where I've known the output power, and that meter that I used yesterday confirmed that it was the correct power. So something's happened over the last week really that's caused it to not work. Anyway, enough of that. We're moving on. Apologies out of the way. Let's get on and do these tests again. So first of all, let's have a look at what we actually get out of this radio. So let's get this camera focused and turned on. First of all, there we go. So this is first of all going to be done on high power. So let's turn it on, see what we get. So channel 1 UK FM on high power. We're looking at this the power meter on the left hand side. We key it in and it goes up just over 4 watts. So that's a big difference than last night's results, and I'm a lot happy with that. I'm still surprised it's 4 watts in power. I really am, because of the battery life and the size of the battery on this. It's surprising that they are as powerful as they are, but 4 watts, that's excellent. Really pleased with that. Let's now knock it down onto low power. So here we are on low power, transmit, and we're just below 2 watts. And that's good for low power. I would expect to have had about 1.5 watts for that one, but nope, that's really good, 2 watts. So happy days. So that's the PNI 82, HP82. Okay, now what I want to do also, because I showed this on last night's video, this is the Escort HP62. Again, the batteries are fully charged on this, so we're giving as much power as we can do. Let's see what this one's going to be. Turn that one on. So again, UK FM on high power. Oh, hang on, what's going on? There we go. So we're giving out about 3 watts. On high power, it's just short of 3 watts. I'm happy to call that 3 watts output. And that's kind of what I'd expect from a handheld, to be honest. So that's fair enough. Now we need to get this onto low power. Okay, so we're now onto low power. And let's see what the power is on here now. And we're talking just less than a watt, just over half a watt. Okay, so just over half a watt on low power. And that's kind of what I'd expect. So for a handheld perspective, this is kind of pretty much normal from the 62. But for the 82 to give off 4 watts on high power, I'm very pleasantly surprised. but not overall surprised because it does perform really well, and the contacts that I've made have given very good reports on this. So that's as much as I'm going to test for the moment. Thanks for watching. Apologies again yesterday if that misled anyone. I'm pleased we've got it rectified. I'm pleased we've got the new meter in place. So let's wait for the next video, and we'll take it from there. Okay, thanks for watching.